Hey champs, today we are going to learn array splice method in JavaScript. So let we start. Let array well. Now need to create an array. I just create array only 5 element. So now console.log array well. Now we use array well to array splice method. Okay. So array splice is this first element is index of the array. So if I use 0, it's meant 1. It start from 1. Now I am adding here 3. So this will start from 0 index and remove 3 element. So this remove 3 element is starting from index 0. Console.log this will return 1, 2, 3. This will return 1, 2, 3. Because this is removed from array val in 3 elements. So now if you check node index.js, okay, so this is the original array and this one is the array splice array. Now if I log the original array, now this will return all 5 elements. This will return only 4, 5. Okay, so this will return only 4 and 5. Okay, now we need to check the other difference. So we want to add another value in 3 parameters. So I can add here 6, 7, 8. Okay. So we are removing only 3. So I am choosing here is 3. But there is no limit. You can choose n number of elements here. But first check this. So 6, 7, 8, 4 and 5. This will return for 6, 7, 8, and 4, 5. But if you want to add another element, you can add. But in this case, remove only 3 elements. You can add n number of elements, no issue, but only removing 3 elements. So like there is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 4, 5. That's it. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 4 and 5. So now if you are thinking this video is useful to you, like this video and subscribe this channel, and make sure hit the bell icon. When I upload the video, you will get notification. Share this video with your friends and colleague who wants to learn programming. And thank you very much for watching my video.